Dear friends, dear students, from the bottom of our heart, we wish you all the very best for tomorrow's prelims examination. Give your best attempt tomorrow. Be happy and confident about what you have done for this exam, what you prepared for this exam all these days. And remember, you are the real fighter, you are the real hero. All your sacrifices, your hard work, your pain you had throughout this year for this preparation, that will definitely pay you off if you give your best attempt tomorrow. Try to attempt maximum number of questions with maximum accuracy, and keep in mind you are not competing with 10 or 15 lakhs of other aspirants. You are competing with yourself. Give your best tomorrow. All the best once again.
Stay calm and cool. Let the day be yours. All the very best for your exam.
Hello everyone. All the very best for the prelims examination. Carry the positive attitude to the examination hall. Believe in yourself. Believe in your intuitions. You will surely get it through. Hope to see you all for the mains preparation. All the best.
You have prepared well, now presented well. This may be your first attempt, second attempt, or last attempt. It doesn't matter. This is going to be your best attempt. So all the very best.
Hey everyone, all the best for the UPSC preliminary exam. Do well, be confident, and let success be yours.
So the day has come. Give your best. Good luck.
To all the students who are writing prelims this year, we wish all the very best. Stay calm, stay focused, and success will be yours.
Hi all, so tomorrow is the day. എല്ലാവരും കൂളായി ചില്ലായിട്ട് പോയിട്ട് എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. എന്ത് വന്നാലും ഞാൻ നേരിടുന്നുള്ള ഒരു ആത്മവിശ്വാസത്തോട് പോയിട്ട് ഒരു ഓഫീസർ ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡോടെ പോയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ പകുതി നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ആ ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡോടെ പോയിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും എക്സാം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം, ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ട് തിരിച്ചു വരാം. ഓക്കെ, സക്സസ്.
Let your dream and efforts be fruitful. Do well. All the best.
Hi everyone, hope all you're doing well. Don't get panicked, don't get stressed out. It's just a matter of 2 hours. Be calm, cool and hopeful. Okay, all the very best for tomorrow.
Wish you all the best for your exams.
Hi dear students, so guys, all the best for your exam, and no need of any tensions and all. So this tension and fear, it's gonna affect your performance. Okay, so you have some knowledge with you guys, right? And you studied some portions, right? And with those topics, with those knowledge, you give your maximum performance. That's more than enough. Okay students, all the best for your exam. Thank you.
Hi dear students, all the best for tomorrow's preliminary examination. Do well, best of luck.